So our next topic is how to open and start an HTML file. So for that, first go to the File Explorer. Select the folder where you want to store your HTML file. So in local disk C, I will create another folder named example 5, and in that folder I will save my HTML file. So again, go to new text document, open that document and save it with the extension .html. So I want to name my HTML document as index and the extension .html. Save. Now go to the code editor, open folder, example 5, select folder. Then click on the HTML document, that is index.html, and start writing your code. So first we write the doc type declaration, then we have the HTML section, inside that we have head section, then the title section. So after the head section, I will write body section. So we are writing a very basic code just to understand how to create and how to open a HTML document. And inside body I will write anything you can write. I am writing have a good day. Control S to save the file. Then again go to the File Explorer and open your document. And you can see that the web page will open on the browser. So that is how you can easily create an HTML file, and you just have to double click on the HTML document to open it on the browser. I hope now you know how to create and open an HTML document. Thank you.